Okay, so today I thought we'd talk about tools and in particular tool storage, because a friend of mine who's been watching my videos said I find it always amazing that you always seem to go to your toolbox and you know exactly where the tool was that you need. The key to it is to be tidy. Now, those that really know me and have seen in my workshop know that I'm not really the tidiest of people, and it's often the case if you need to find a tool, you just go to where Martin's been working last and you'll find it on the floor. But I've got two toolboxes. I've got this one, which I bought when I first started racing, and this is what I call my race box, and that's got all my nice tools in. And then I've got the farm toolbox, which, while it looks a nice toolbox, literally you open the drawers and there's a pile of tools and you have to scout through them to find the one you want. That's supposed to be cross point screwdrivers, flat screwdrivers, you know, and it's just, it's all in here, but I had a little tidy up in my socket set, but it's all in there, but you have to scout around to try and find it. And there's a lot of rubbish on the top. Then 18 months ago, it's got to be now, I found a product called Shadowfoam, which totally transforms the way you organise your toolbox. So it's supplied in sheets like this. You can buy sheets that just fit into your toolbox, or you just buy big sheets and you cut them up. And basically you lay your tools on the top, you put them all out in the order you want, you draw around with a scalpel, and then you just pull the bits out and you organise your tools. So like my sockets here, I've got 1/2 inch sockets, I've got 3/8 and 1/4, always metric on the left, imperial on the right, and it organises it all out. And then you've got all your bars and what have you all set out, and the beauty of it is you can see if there's anything missing. Got my imperial spanners there. Metric spanners, screwdrivers. Got a screwdriver missing there, so I must have a look around the workshop. I've got the scriber there that's missing. Pliers, I sort of like it. That's missing because I know whether I used that last. I'm going to make another drawer for all my circlip pliers. Yeah, so that's how it is. So I've still got other drawers. That one I've got to still do. That's sort of like I'll get round to that. But it's absolutely fantastic. It was so good, in fact, that this year I decided to try something else, because what I've been doing is when I go racing, I don't take the whole box now, because after a while you get to know what you need. And a friend of mine had got a lot of these boxes, and I used to throw all my tools in. So if we open it up, I managed to put all the screwdrivers and the pliers. I've got to do something there because that one always keeps falling out. But got a screwdriver missing. Then a set of removable trays. So they're not all the best tools, but it's a collection of everything. So I've got feeler gauges in there. This is the imperial box tray, and then I've got a set of metric spanners, because the cars I race are old cars. So the MG and the Brabham tends to be imperial sizes, but sometimes you just need a few metric ones. You've got your Allen keys in there, and then finally take that tray out, and I've got the sockets in there. So I'll put the link in the description below, but I urge you to go and have a look at Shadowfoam. The guy that runs it's got an absolutely fantastic YouTube channel. He shows you how to set all the tools out and how to cut the foam and what have you. It's not just tools he puts there, it's lots of other things that he organises with Shadowfoam. So I urge you to go and have a little look and just have a go. It's really quite good. I'm really sold on it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like if you like it, and remember, how hard can it be?